Hey, what's going on, guys? Just picked up this little Baja dirt runner yesterday. The pickup coil, which attaches to the stator down there, was broke. So I got a fairly good deal on the bike. So I dug through all my stuff, and after finding a couple, here's one off of a Chinese 250cc quad engine I got on the floor there. That one wouldn't work because of the offset and all that of the whatever you want to call it there. So anyway, I ended up pulling the pickup coil out of this YZ125 engine that I got here for parts, and it lined right up and works good. So the guy I got it from broke this ear off right here where the pickup coil bolts on right there, screws on. I had it welded. I JB welded it yesterday and it ended up breaking, so I redid it last night and let it set all night, and so hopefully it'll hold this time. But now I'm gonna put the screws back in, put it back on the bike, and probably gonna change the oil quick because the oil's like black water. It's burnt. It's nasty. Kids don't ever change their damn oil. But anyway, I'm gonna get at it. Bastard, get in there. Yeah, this is too hard with a cell phone. I can't wait to get a GoPro. Where's that other screw? Right here. My pocket. There we go. Finally. Shit. I think I do want them wires to go up through though, so pull the screw back out. Of course. Yeah, I think that'll work a little better. That way you can get the CDI cover on. Stator cover is what I would call it, but it says CDI on the side, so. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Hopefully the vibration and shit doesn't break this ear back off again. I'm probably going to go ahead and buy a new one. It's $36, so come with the stator and the pickup coil for this bike, and everything, new wiring. Probably the best thing to do, but if I can make it work for a while, I'm going to do that. That's better. Alrighty. Now let's go down here. Probably not going to clear just yet. A little bit of JB weld's going to hit on the case here. Can't have that. That's what happened yesterday. I put it on and that side right there, we can see I already scraped some off. It pushed on the JB weld right there and I heard a crack. Yeah. So, see how bad that's going to hit.
If you could get rewarded for sleeping, would you? What about for sitting on a bench, looking out at the ocean? Or for sitting in a comfy chair, watching football on TV? Guess what? That third dream job is
Should have put a little oil on that, but I didn't, so fuck it. Well, I think she's getting pretty good this time. Looks to me like it's gonna clear pretty good. Yep, right there. Yeah, I think it's gonna clear this time, so pop this back out. Alright, we got a little spring that goes in there. I'm not quite sure what exactly that spring is for. But it's there for a reason, so it's going back in. Take some of this oil from the case right here, put on here. Help that go on there some.
Check out the events at the wineries, concerts, plays, shows. If it's happening, you'll find the details. Event listings at fingerlakestopwine.com. Served up by Commuter Lake Wine Trail. Don't let injuries or recurring pain keep you from being at your best. The orthopedic and sports team at Cortland Regional Medical Practice.
Alright, where's my ratchet? Must be up here. Right there. My shed is trashed. I gotta get it cleaned out for the winter. Because I won't be working outside anymore. It's getting pretty nasty out there. It's a little chilly. Today's the 1st of November. We're up here in northern Pennsylvania. You're damn well dangerous. Sipping on this 7-6. Supposed to have fun. That didn't work. JB Weld broke again. What in the hell? That is some bullshit right there. I can't believe that happened. Son of a bitch. It looks like we're ordering a new one. What a pain in the ass. Piece of shit. Oh. I realized it was hitting right there. Oh, hell with it. I guess I better order a new one. Damn it. Really didn't want to have to do that right now, but shit. Oh well. Maybe we'll get back to working on the old KX250 smoker there. Get that old turd going and take out for a ride, maybe. Son of a bitch. Put the flywheel back on her for now. Put her down in the shed, I guess. Need that going on there. There we go. Put all this stuff back on here. So it's all here when we go to work on it again. Of course. Man, I thought for sure that JB Weld was gonna hold that good enough to. I mean, hell, it's just there ain't no weight to it or nothing, but it's such shitty metal. Oh well. Get these cover bolts in there. I guess these are gonna be 10s. Couple threads in them. No, that ain't working, so shit. Knock them bolts out. Put them right in the cover. I guess we're gonna take this bike out to the shed. Put it with the other projects that I don't have money to work on right now. Money for parts. What a mess. Over here. Pressure washer. I got much room in here. I got too much crap in here. Little Kohler engine off a pressure washer I picked up a while back. And my old wheel horse. I get some tires for that. I got engines stashed everywhere out here. And my main mini bike that I ride. So let's see if we can clear some room. That mini bike's got the inline 550 Kawasaki engine in it, which I'm waiting to get some parts for, of course. But I guess I'm going to stuff this old dirt bike in here, and I think I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching.